so deep as a stream, but his wagon tail still sees the same dream. Every step I take is slower these days, but he never minds my wandering ways. Does he know time slipping through my hand like grains of sand on a quiet land? His eyes hold stories I've yet to be told. Does my dog know I'm getting old? My voice doesn't boom like it used to sound, yet he follows my shadow on the ground. When my knees creak loud like a wooden floor, he just curls up closer than ever before. Does he know time slipping through my hand like grains of sand on a quiet land? His eyes hold stories I've yet to be told. Does my dog know I'm getting old? The seasons change, but he doesn't care. Winter or summer, he's always there. Tail wagging like the clock can't chase the bond we built, the love in his face. Maybe he senses the weight in the air, but the love we share balances the despair. He doesn't ask why the days grow thin, he just stays beside me, chin to chin.